This NutriChef Electric Pizza Oven delivers intense, focused heat that gets close to traditional pizzeria temperatures, so homemade pies come out with crisp crusts and nicely browned toppings. Independent upper and lower heating controls let you fine-tune how the top and bottom cook, which is especially useful for balancing gooey cheese with a well-baked base. The built-in thermometer and large viewing window make it easy to monitor progress without opening the door, helping you hit that sweet spot between underdone and overbaked. Cool touch handles and integrated overheat protection add a reassuring layer of safety, making it comfortable to use in busy family kitchens. A non-stick interior and removable pizza stone keep cleanup surprisingly simple, while also helping the crust release cleanly after baking. Its compact, countertop-friendly footprint and sturdy stainless steel construction mean it fits small spaces, yet feels durable enough for frequent pizza nights and baking sessions.